I'm back! Uncle Dave's back. Do you know why? Because Christmases are coming. We're just into the beginning of December and you're going to get fed up to the back teeth of me by the time the big day comes. I've just unpacked. It makes me feel so good to unpack things. Fingers crossed, you'll know with me, is this going to work? It's been a year. Oh, look at that beauty. The reindeers go up and down. What do you call a blind reindeer? No idea. What do you call a blind reindeer with no legs? Still no idea. Anyway, there'll be plenty more jokes. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to do you a wonderful party piece of food called pigs in a blanket. Without further ado, me and Pingy Penguin, we're going to sort out for you this wonderful, and I mean wonderful, serves 32 people. You will love it. Let's do it. Time to give them a blitz when they cool down a bit. That's just what we want. So we're going to add that in with the sausage. Take a bit of seasoning, lovely salt, pepper. I mean, the sausage is seasoned already, but we want to give it a slightly bit more kick, and then we'll mix again. And now we drop all this lovely sausage and bacon mix onto the top of the pastry. So that 800 grams does do it. I just flattened it out with a knife. So now we're ready to put the top sheet on. And the top sheet, I'm literally just going to give it a tiny amount of decent quality apple sauce. This not as thick as we had on the base, but it's just going to kind of hold it all together when it goes on top and create our pigs in a blanket. So now we just lift this, and as you can imagine, it's the identical size. Oh boy, look at that, absolutely identicaled. So we're ready, we're nearly there. Now we get a sharp knife, just run it down the middle, run it again there, quartering it, like that, and then we want to eighth it, if you follow me. So you're just running it so it doesn't go right through the pastry, and it doesn't have to be exact. So that's going to create a series of lovely squares and get it out of the oven. Last bit, egg wash. Fairly generous egg wash onto this beauty. And it's only the 2nd of December, but I must admit, we're kind of getting excited already. The lights are going up outside at weekend, and the children always come past and say, when's Mr. putting his lights up? So Auntie Karen says, be patient, he won't be long. And that, my darlings, is it, apart from one thing. On 200, and we look forward to seeing you soon. It's only 4:15 in the afternoon, but nonetheless, Christmas is approaching, albeit 23 days away. Right, let's get this beauty out. That looks and smells absolutely got to wait and let it cool, and then I can slice it into lovely little bites. All of that, £9, and that's including the egg and all the chutney. And there they are, cool, sliced, loads of them gone in the freezer. Ooh, gotta try this beauty. Just absolutely divine. Give it a try, folks. You'll love them. Well, there we are. It was all done. Probably 3/4 an hour with the prep, but now a load of it's gone in the freezer. I've passed one over to Auntie Karen as a little nibble, and what did you think, love?
Beautiful.
That's always a good sign if the woman at the top says it's good. Now then, so we're just getting into December. You're going to get sick of Uncle Dave. I've got other party ideas for you, and then we're also going to do the Christmas challenge where Aldi take on M&S. You're going to enjoy it, and we'll look forward to it. So there's 3 things for Christmas: peace on earth, goodwill to men, and I'm afraid no batteries included.